Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Open Idfix Elevated and connect to your domain or import a directory CSV. You must have read-only AD access at minimum. Verify connectivity quickly. Once connected, run an initial scan to collect objects and common attribute issues. Make sure to export the raw Idfix results so you can roll back if necessary. This first action identifies duplicate proxy addresses, invalid UPNs, and formatting errors, so you can prioritize fixes rather than guessing where to begin. Next, analyze results by sorting and filtering. Group duplicate proxy addresses and invalid UPN patterns to tackle high-impact issues first. You can edit entries inline in Idfix for one-off fixes, or export a corrected CSV if you prefer bulk changes via PowerShell. Once edits are staged, validate a subset. Apply fixes to test users, then rerun the scan to confirm the problem is resolved. This staged approach reduces risk and makes it clear why each correction removes sync errors. Finally, apply your approved fixes and immediately rescan to ensure critical errors are cleared. Once satisfied, document every change and trigger a Delta sync with Azure AD Connect to propagate updates. Monitor the sync service for failures. If errors persist, inspect AD replication status and the permissions of the account running Idfix and Azure AD Connect. One key troubleshooting tip: if duplicates reappear, search for multi-domain objects or stale proxy address values in linked accounts and resolve those.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.